Welcome to the Certified Quality Auditor CQA course. If you're here, you're likely looking to take your quality auditing skills to the next level, whether you're a beginner in the field or an experienced professional aiming for certification. So, what is this course all about? This program is designed to prepare you for the CQA certification and help you apply auditing principles effectively in real-world scenarios. What is a Certified Quality Auditor? A Certified Quality Auditor, CQA, is a professional trained to evaluate, analyze, and improve quality systems within an organization. Their job is to ensure compliance with industry standards, detect inefficiencies, and drive continuous improvement. Industries like manufacturing, healthcare, automotive, and technology rely on quality auditors to maintain process integrity and regulatory compliance. What you'll learn in this course. Throughout this course, you'll gain essential auditing skills including understanding quality auditing principles and standards, learning how to plan, conduct, and report audits effectively, identifying nonconformities and ensuring corrective actions, preparing for and passing the CQA certification exam. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-follow lessons with real-world examples, case studies, and practice questions to reinforce your learning. Why get CQA certified? A CQA certification enhances your professional credibility and opens doors to higher-paying jobs, leadership roles, and career growth in quality management. Whether you want to work as an internal auditor, lead auditor, or quality consultant, this certification will set you apart in the industry. By the end of this course, you'll be fully prepared to take the CQA exam and apply your knowledge confidently in your workplace. Let's get started. Now that you know what to expect, let's dive into the first lesson and start your journey toward becoming a certified quality auditor.